So I'm making some garlic butter noodles. I already cooked my pasta. So these are egg noodles and I'm going to add some butter to it. So I'm adding like half a stick of salted butter to the egg noodles, and I kind of have my heat on medium. So that is what we're doing. So I'm just mixing the butter around to get it melted. So I added some more butter, just a little bit, and then soon we'll be adding the garlic powder. So I'm going to be adding some garlic powder. I'm just going to just eyeball it. I don't even know how much I'm putting in, but just taste it and see if it's how you want it, and then go from there. So I added a little bit of parsley, and then when I'm actually eating it and it's in my bowl, I like to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on it, and it's so good. JC loves these buttered garlic noodles. They are so good and so easy to make, and they're just so yummy, and they're the best. So if you want like an easy dinner or side dish, these are so good. And I plan to do more cooking videos in the future. Let me know what you think of this one. I don't really have a good camera setup, so it's kind of hard to do a cooking video while holding my phone. I do have a tripod. I'll have to set that up, but I don't know if it would be a good angle for cooking because I want you to actually see what I'm doing. But yes, this is going to be so good. And when JC comes home from work tonight, we're going to eat some. And I usually add like salt and pepper on my plate too once everything's in the bowl. And Parmesan cheese, don't forget Parmesan cheese. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.